Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this USOGOOD, very nice trail camera. This is the DL502. What's cool about this is it features a 32 megapixel pictures, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, and you can connect it to a phone via Wi-Fi to review your pictures, which is nice, or transfer them. Has 820 millimeter infrared LED and 120 degree angle of view. Of course, it's waterproof as well. Let's go ahead and put that over there. Nice form factor, only about 6 inches tall, maybe 2.5 to 3 inches wide. Has a whole bunch of sensors here, your IR lights, nice heavy duty plastic casing, strap, loops built in the back. Open this up on the bottom here with this camming latch. Right there. And it has a little screen so you can review your pictures and videos right there. Also has your control buttons and a full-size SD card slot, not micro, USB-C cord, and a power cord. So you can hook this up to like a solar power bank. Really like that. Simple, easy to use system here. And the batteries, they go right in the bottom here. But it's always a mystery to me when trying to open one of these for the first time. You push down this button and that pops out. So you push down this little tab here and it's got a nice high quality rubber seal, so it's waterproof. It looks like it takes 6 AA batteries in this tray right here. Very nice. Actually 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 AA batteries. Very nice little trail camera. Comes with mounting hardware and a tree strap as well. Was sent to me for review.